This is BirdNote. Spring has reached the Arctic. Low-growing wildflowers carpet slopes of tundra, and arriving migratory birds begin to sing. A sparrow-sized Lapland Longspur perches atop a short stem, showing off his rich black-colored face, smartly outlined in rust and white. The Longspur flaps upward 100 feet, then sings his languid song as he drifts slowly back to earth. Within low bushes, a tiny pale finch with pink breast and red crown sings buzzy, jingling trills, a Hoary Redpoll. Then, from a rocky outcrop, a flashy white songbird with black wings shoots straight up in the air before cutting loose his spirited phrases. This male snow bunting repeats his song flight every few minutes in his quest to attract a mate. Finally, we hear a song of insect-like trills mixed with whistles and buzzes. It's a beautiful male bluethroat, his vivid azure throat and upper breast rimmed with rust. The song presses on and on. Spring has come to the Arctic. The birds' voices make it known. For BirdNote, I'm Michael Stein.